On today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to copy and paste ads to make money with CPA marketing. So as you can see, this is the amount that I've earned today using this strategy that I'm about to show you. When you come here, you can see that I've gotten 319 views and I've gotten 129 clicks, and here I've got 32 leads. So when you come here, you can see the daily breakdown of the statistics. So I'm actually recording this video on Monday, 3rd January 2022. So as you can see my statistics right here. So on this video, I'll be showing you the product that you need to select. I will also be showing you the traffic source, and I'll give you a script that you can use to promote the offer. So this is a done for you tutorial. So make sure you watch till the end so that you get all the details that you need to know. If you are new and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So as you can see, we are using CPA Grip. So when you create an account and log in, you are going to come right to the left side of your screen and you are going to see a page like this. And what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down and then come to offer tools. So you are going to click on that. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to see a page like this. The next thing is that you are going to click on my offers. Once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So as you can see, when you scroll, you can see that these are CPA offers that you can promote. When you promote a product like this, you are going to earn 89 cents. You can see another one, 89 cents. So if you are promoting offers like this, you cannot make up to $328 per day. So we are going to search for CPA offers that have high payout. So when you come here, you are going to search for Australia. So you are going to search for Australia. Once you search AU, you can see that Australia is here. You are going to click on that. So once you search, you are going to see a page like this. You can see that when you promote this product, you are going to get a high payout. When you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of products that you can earn higher payout. So as you can see, this product, you are going to earn $20.42. So when they submit with their credit card. So as you can see, there are a lot of products here that you can promote. I'm going to show you how I promoted this product so that you can also follow the same steps to promote it. So as you can see, the problem with CPA marketing is that you are restricted in terms of geographics. For this product, for instance, you have to get people from Australia to submit their email and zip codes. You are not allowed to get traffic from any other country apart from Australia. So you have to take note of that. So this is the product, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click on it so that we can view it. When you click on the product, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this offer is only allowed on mobile devices. So when people sign up on mobile with their email and zip code, you are going to earn $10.27. So if they sign up with their desktop, you are not going to earn money. So when you come here, you can see that this offer is only allowed in Australia. So you need people from this country to sign up for the offer before you earn a commission. So you have to take note of that. So once you have seen the product and you have seen all the restrictions, the next thing is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from Australia to sign up for this particular offer so that you can earn a commission. So to do that, you are going to come here and then copy your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link, and when you promote the product and people sign up through this link, you are going to earn the commission, which is $10.27. So that is it. So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy this affiliate link and paste it somewhere. So once you copy your link, the next thing is that we are going to find the traffic source. So you are going to come to this particular website, adsriver.com. So this is the website that you are going to run ads for free. So you have the option to select the location that you want your ad to be shown. So we are going to be targeting people from Australia. So we are just going to come here and then select post ad. So once you click on that, you are going to select a country that you want your ad to be shown. So we want our ad to be shown in Australia. So we are going to select that. So as you can see, once you select the country, the next thing is that you are going to select the category that you want to post your ad. So what you are going to do is that you are going to search for business opportunities. So you click on that. So once you select business opportunities, you are going to select the subcategory. So we are going to select money making. So we are going to select that. So once you select the subcategory, the next thing is that you are going to enter the title for your ad and you are going to enter the location. So once you enter the location, the next thing is that you are going to write a short note about the ad right here. So once that is done, you are also going to enter your email here. So now we are going to begin filling the details of our ads. So here we are going to write the exact title of the product that we are promoting. So when you come to the product, you can see get $500 worth in gift cards. So that will be the title for our ad. So as you can see, this is the title of the ad. Get $500 worth of gift cards for free. So that is the title. As you can see, you are also going to enter the location right here. So I have entered the location, which is Australia. So once that is done, you are now going to paste a short description about your ad. So as you can see, this is my simple description that you can copy and then paste to promote this product. So you are going to copy this particular description, you are going to copy it and then send it to the ad. So you are going to copy this description. So once you copy it, you are going to bring it back to your ad and you are going to paste it here. As you can see, this is the description of my ad. You can see, hey, I have some exciting news to share with you today. Did you know there is an app that will reward you a $500 gift card to spend for free? I want to inform you that you could earn a $500 gift card today for free. Limited offer. Only 60 people needed. Act fast to get a spot. So as you can see here, so when it's a limited offer, it tells them that if they don't act right now, they will not be part of the 60 people. So you are giving them a reason to click through your ad. As you can see here, you can see they are going to get the $500 gift card for free. So people like free things. So make sure you always add free so that you get a lot of people to click through your ad. So once that is done, you can see claim offer now. So what you are going to do is that we are going to highlight this and then make it bold so that we can get people to click through that. So as you can see, now what we are going to do is that we are going to go back and then copy our affiliate link. So when you come here, you are going to copy your affiliate link, or wherever you copy and paste it, you are going to copy it and bring it back. And now what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then highlight this text. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on this particular icon. Once you click on this particular icon, you are going to delete this and then paste your affiliate link right here. And you are going to click on OK. So as you can see, once you click on that, you can see that this particular text is now linked to your affiliate link. So when you come to the preview, you can see it is not going to appear like this. As you can see, this is the preview. This is how it is going to appear to the people. It is not going to appear like this. So once you insert your affiliate link in the description of the ad, the next thing is that you are going to come here and then enter your email. So I'm going to enter my email right here. Once you enter your email, as you can see, you can choose not to display your email to everyone. You can also choose to display your email to everyone. So that is a personal preference. So if you like it, you can display. If you don't like it, you are going to leave it like that. So once that is done, you are going to come here and then you are going to upload the product image. So you are going to upload an image that will tell the people more about the product. So when you come back to CPA group, you can see that this is the product image and you are going to click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to come here and then select save image as. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on that, you are going to save the image. So as you can see, you are going to save it onto your PC. So once that is done, you are going to come back to your ad and you are going to click on choose file so that you can upload the image that you saved. So you are going to just select it as you can see right here. Then you click on open. Once you click on open, the image has been saved right here. So the next thing is that you are going to come right here and then click on I agree to the terms of use by making a post. So you are going to select this particular box. So you are going to select it. So when you come here, you can pay it for your ad. So if you want your ad to be displayed for 90 days, you are going to pay $5. You can choose to buy a plan or you can choose to keep on posting for free. We are not going to pay for anything right now. So we are going to just click on post now. So you are going to click on that. So once you click on post now, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the ad and it's live on this particular website. You can see Monday 3rd January 2022. It's live on this particular website. So when you come here, you can see your affiliate link is right here. So as you can see, the image is right here. Everything is intact and you are going to be getting people to click. And you can see right now, I've gotten one hit. So as you can see it right here. So as you can see, people can choose to contact you through an email, but they are not going to see your email address. Once this is done, you can also share your ad on social media platforms. So apart from that, this particular website, you are going to be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. Once again, thank you for watching. We shall meet in another video.